Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set a password into your Windows 11 computer in a very simple way. What you need to do, simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. After that, you just need to go for the account section over here, and then you just need to link or click for sign in options. If you click on that, then we'll get these options called facial recognition, fingerprint recognition, PIN, security, but there is no password option over here. So we can fix this. It's very simple. Just come over into this additional settings and then go for improved security, only allow Windows Hello sign in for Microsoft account on this device. So you just need to edit, you just need to turn off this additional setting over here, and then you just need to close it, come over into start icon and go for settings and then go for accounts. And now if you go for sign in options, you can see your password came back. So you just need to do this and you are all set up. Click change. So after clicking on this, you can simply set the password. So my computer is already passworded. That's why I'm showing you, but in your way, you can simply do this into your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.